Good afternoon, everyone. Hey, Matt Cope here with a new flat rate, and I'm so excited. Coming up this Thursday, so we're just a little while from now, this Thursday at 12:30 Eastern to 4:30 Eastern, we're having a workshop. This workshop is a virtual workshop that you can attend. Somebody in your company can attend. Everybody in your company can attend. That's up to you. This workshop is based on the concept of how much is a new one. You might say, Matt, we're already really good at that. We're good at flipping new equipment sales. We're good at setting the big jobs, especially in the middle of peak season. But here's the real problem. If you look back and you see all of the interactions we've had with customers over the years, have you ever stopped and asked yourself the question, how many customers have we lost because A, we couldn't provide what they wanted, we couldn't come up with a finance solution, or whatever it was? How many times have you asked yourself the question, why do my people only get the one sale? Why do they only get the one box? Why don't they get all the accessories and the add-ons? Well, this Thursday between 12:30 and 4:30, we're going to be bringing some more answers to that conversation. And just a great testimony to share with it would be one of my great customers. One of my great customers tends to call my service company here in North Georgia just about every spring. And he'll call up and he'll say, hey, Matt, I just want to let you know we're doing our budgeting for the year. And I was just wondering, how much should we set aside for your company? Wow, what a great conversation that is. I mean, how many of your customers call you and say, hey, how much money should I give to you guys this year? That's a good conversation to have. Wouldn't you like to know exactly how to prep it so that more of your customers have that conversation with you? That's what we're going to be talking about this Thursday from 12:30 Eastern to 4:30 Eastern. Go ahead and register now. It's $295 for your whole company to be able to attend. You'll get a workbook, put somebody through that class, and get that extra information to start closing the deals, but retaining long-term profitable customers from this point forward. Again, I'm Matt Cope. If you got any questions, give us a shout here at the New Flat Rate or shoot us an email. We're always happy to help. Thanks. Have a great day.